Hello everyone, I'm Chukwuka. Welcome to yet another awesome video about TBC. And today I want to give you guys an update on one of the latest blog posts by the TBC admin, and that has to do with Kringle reward. So without much further ado, let me just go to the blog. Make sure you have the Billion Coin app. If you don't have it, make sure you go and download it. It's available on Play Store for those who use Google Play for use Android device. You can also share it with your friends using the sharing link above. Okay? All right, so let's dive in. All right, so the title of the blog post is "You Can't Sit on Cookie Rewards Forever." So this sounds like a warning or an update to those who are yet to redeem their cookies to go ahead and redeem theirs. Okay, if you have not redeemed it, just go ahead and redeem yours. So let me just read from this article right here. Say, from the write-up by the TBC admin. Okay, we have moved on to Kringle rewards, where you can collect spendable Kringles daily instead of redeemable cookies. So, continuing to show cookies can become confusing to our newest members as we move forward. So, cookie rewards will come to an official end on January 31st, 2020, and this is hereby a notice to the entire community, TBC community. On February 1st, 2020, all unredeemable cookies rewards will be washed out of our database. That means all cookie rewards earned from 31st December 2019 back to beginning of cookie rewards will be washed out forever. As I said before, don't fall asleep as a TBcian. You may be sitting on millions of dollars of cookies, and if you are asleep, you may need not see this notice before the deadline. It is easy to collect Kringle rewards. Complete an activity that pays Kringle rewards, then you can with one click collect Kringle and processing should take less than 60 minutes until you see the Kringles in your wallet. You are allowed to do this one click once a day. Clicking more often does not bring you any additional benefit. So one click on your cookie rewards is all you need to do now to collect. So it take a minute or two to process, but a table like you see above should appear to show you your rewards end. So guys, right now, if you have any cookies pending that you're yet to redeem, this is the opportunity for you to go and redeem them. And for you to redeem them is simple. The moment you click on your cookie reward, automatically the system will start processing whatever cookie reward you have pending, and also it will show you a table showcasing your cookie reward history, like with the ones you've redeemed and the ones you're yet to redeem. Okay, because once we enter February 1st, all unredeemable cookies are washed away from the system. So guys, time to take action. What are you waiting for? Go get active, go and redeem your cookies. You can still wait till ending of December 1st, December 31st, but make sure you redeem yours before we get to the end of January 2020. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. So I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye for now.